everybody, this time my friends and will cook noodles nyemek. Listen carefully. The first step is to cut the sauces into small pieces. The second step is to cut the meatballs into small pieces. The third step is to crush the garlic. Fourth step, cook the garlic. Add enough cooking oil. Crack the egg using a blue funnel. Put the egg into the pan. Sorry, it's not hot, and stir until the egg breaks. Put enough water. After boiling, add the noodles. Enter the sauces and meatballs using a blue funnel. Add 1 sachet of sauces and stir well. The instant noodles seasoning and stir. Enter the soy sauce and stir. Serve on a plate and ready to eat. Thank you for watching.